Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. If you are ever been stuck in traffic, you are already understand the latency versus throughput. But in the system design interviews, there is a two term confuse a lot of the candidates. Today, let's break it down with simple examples, analogies, and real world scenarios. So you will never forget the differences again. First, let's talk about latency. Latency is the time it takes to process a single request. Think of it like time you spend waiting as fast food drive-through. From the moment you place the order until you get your burger, that's the latency. In technical terms, if a system takes 200 milliseconds to respond to an API call, that's its latency. Low latency means faster response time and better user experience. Now let's look at throughput. Throughput is about how many requests your system can handle per unit of time. Using the fast food analogy again, throughput is how many burgers the restaurant can serve in an hour. In technical terms, if your server can handle 10,000 requests per second, that's the throughput. Higher throughput means your system can serve more users at scale. Here is a clear example. Imagine a train. Latency, that is how long it can take for one passenger to travel from station A to station B. Throughput, how many passengers the train can carry per hour. Both are important, but they are not the same. You could have low latency, low throughput. A super fast sport car, but it can carry one person at a time. High throughput, high latency. A cargo ship which carries thousands of containers, but it takes weeks to reach the destinations. In system design, understanding latency versus throughput help you to decide, do you need to make each request faster, that is optimized latency, or do you need to serve more users at once, that is scale throughput. Example, Netflix care about latency when you hit to play. You don't want to wait 10 seconds for the video to start. YouTube cares about throughputs because millions of people are watching video at the same time. So please remember, latency, that means response time. Throughput, that means request handle per second. Both are crucial in building scalable, high performance systems. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech insights videos. In next video, we will discuss availability versus consistency in system design. See you next time. Until then, keep learning and keep designing.